There's a bird in your yard, right there on that branch, that knows exactly who you are. If you've seen the same crow land near your house twice this week, it's not a coincidence. It's not random. It's an active reconnaissance mission. What I'm about to tell you sounds like something out of a spy movie, but it's pure science. Most people think birds are just passing through. That's a massive mistake. Corvids possess a level of social intelligence so close to ours that it becomes unsettling. Stay with me until the end, because point number 5 will change the way you walk down the street. And the final point, number 10, might convince you that it is the one training you, not the other way around. 1. The first visit isn't for food. It's a security audit. Watch carefully how it lands. A crow that doesn't know you never flies directly toward a target. It approaches from an angle, center of gravity slightly shifted backward. Why? For rapid extraction if danger appears. It's not looking for seeds. It's looking for your weaknesses. 2. It scans your gaze. A 2013 study proved that crows take off much faster when humans stare directly into their eyes. If you lock eyes with it, you're a predator. If your gaze is distracted or erratic, you're classified as harmless. By the second visit, your psychological profile has already been logged into its internal database. 3. It analyzes your movement patterns. While it appears indifferent on its branch, it's processing your speed, your usual direction, and your body orientation. If you change your routine, it notices. You are a predictable element in its ecosystem. 4. The mission report has already been sent. This is where things get crazy. A crow that has never seen you before can still hate you or trust you. Why? Because its parents told it about you. Science confirms that crows transmit information about specific humans to other crows. That second visit you noticed? It may not even be the same bird. It could be a colleague verifying the report. 5. Your grandchildren are already in the database. At the University of Washington, researchers wore masks while testing crows. Years later, young birds that weren't even alive during the original experiment still attacked those same masks. Your yard now has a risk profile that can be transmitted across generations. 6. The emotional weight of your interactions. If you scare a crow, it may remember you for the rest of its life. Strong emotions permanently imprint your face into their memory. 7. An alien cognitive architecture. They accomplish all of this without a neocortex, the brain structure humans rely on for planning and higher reasoning. Crows evolved complex intelligence using completely different biological hardware. It's like running cutting-edge software on a processor from another planet. 8. They plan for futures that don't exist yet. In the famous spoon test, crows selected tools in advance for mechanisms they wouldn't encounter until later. If that crow returns to your yard, it's not reacting to what it sees now. It's preparing for what it plans to do tomorrow. 9. Espionage and deception. Crows practice something called deceptive caching. If they feel watched, they pretend to hide food in one place while secretly storing it elsewhere. They conduct social experiments on you to determine whether you're a potential thief. If you're starting to realize that your environment is filled with far more intelligent minds than you ever imagined, subscribe. Here, we explore the hidden mechanics of nature, intelligence, and if you want to learn how to hack your own brain, the same way a crow hacks its environment, turn on notifications. 10. The gift is a trap, a positive one. Let's end with one of the most fascinating behaviors of all: the gifts left by crows. This isn't just gratitude, it's reinforcement conditioning. The crow noticed that by leaving a shiny object, it receives a reaction, or food. It's training you. It has calibrated which behavior triggers your reward system. So ask yourself this: are you observing the birds, or are they managing your schedule? Tell me in the comments, have you ever had a strange interaction with a crow? A mysterious object left behind? A bird that seemed to wait for you? Share your story. I read every comment. Subscribe so you don't miss anything about the fascinating world of animals that surround us every day.